Ta-da!
Yeah!
What is it?
A very special remote control. You see? I've invented an all-controlling remote control. So I can turn off that tacky Master Cherry commercial.
Master Cherry!
Come on in, folks. There's a world of techno wonders waiting for you. Hey, you gotta be kidding me. Turn on!
Us too! We want to try! Are you ready for this, Grandpa Geppetto? Ta-da! What do you think?
It's a Jack-in-the-Box.
It's our Jack in the Box.
We fixed it all by ourselves.
You two are going to make me look bad.
Does it actually work?
He's asking if it works. Huh?
It works.
But we put it together upside down.
Good first try. If you don't make mistakes, you'll never learn. Excuse me, I've got a cricket to fix. There. Agnese's headphones are good as new. Who wants to try them out?
Puppets come first.
No way, Pinocchio. Pirate girls come first.
Pinocchio, Frida, no bickering. I'll try them. I'm a music expert.
Master Cherry!
I haven't even turned them on.
You were saying, Geppetto, you don't like my commercial?
Master Cherry!
Turn down the volume, Master Cherry! And turn down my voice, too!
Forget it, Geppetto. This is too much fun.
Pinocchio? Frida, what are you doing up here?
Watch and learn, Cricket.
Who took my remote?
Master Cherry's had enough fun. Now it's our turn. Cricket, I can't understand a thing you're saying. It's great. Pirates don't talk like that. Maybe I selected the wrong language.
Shiver me timbers! Pinocchio, Cricket, you are black and white. And I'm not because I'm holding the remote.
Huh?
Our colors!
Don't worry, everyone. I'm sure it'll work fine. This time. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm so ready.
This song master will make you a great singer, Cricket.
Here I am, just another singing cricket. Come on now, you'll have to buy a ticket. I'm hopping here and there and everywhere, not stopping here and there and everywhere like I just don't care. 'Cause this cricket is made of metal!
Thanks, Papa Geppetto. I think we've heard enough.
Face it, you couldn't carry a tune in a bucket. What's the plan?
We're gonna take control with a remote control.
What are you going to do with that drone remote?
Give his drone control issues.
Aye, matey. Wait, what? I don't get it.
Cherry's remote doesn't even have batteries. We've got the real one.
Here it is. Isn't it the perfect engagement gift?
A remote-controlled fan?
It's not a fan. It's a drone. Allow me to illustrate for you, good sir. See? Easy peasy. You can make it fly in all directions. Up, down, sideways. It does whatever you want. What's going on? Relax. All part of the demonstration.
Are you sure this is how it works?
Well, of course. Super convenient for checking your mail.
What's happening?
Just a bunch of junk mail.
Stop! Stop!
Never mind. It must be air mail.
These are for you! Special delivery.
Drat! I didn't even touch anything!
Hey, my hair! Honey, it's still me. I love you.
A toupee!
Are you okay, honey?
Could be some low blood sugar. Why?
Pinocchio, did I miss something?
We're testing a cradle made especially for rambunctious babies.
And Pinocchio volunteered.
I did not. You pushed me in.
Let's see if it works. What's wrong? Instead of cuddling, it catapulted the baby.
Maybe the cradle wants a real baby. I knew it. All right, you good little cradle. Here's your magic volunteer.
My Sweetbeard's beard! How sweet!
Good morning. Delivery for Geppetto.
But I'm not expecting a package.
Yes, you are. It's a gift from me. Open it.
Looks like an old microwave.
No, that's Puck, your new assistant. He's the best ever made.
Wait a sec. Geppetto already has an excellent assistant. Me!
Oh, how cute!
Puck can answer any question, order dinner, take pictures, create a social profile, massage your feet, read you a book, or even...
All data digitized.
Puck, who is this car for?
Red car. Shipping address, Seatown, 12 Coral Street, second floor apartment. Doormat with welcome written on it. Florence Eastwood.
Florence, you can't be serious.
Florence! So that's what this word is.
You can ask him anything.
Let me try. Puck, can you get Geppetto some fresh squeezed juice?
Where is... Unbelievable!
Don't get so excited. It's probably disgusting.
Very good!
Come on, you try it.
Mr. Puck, can you close the door? The draft is getting to me.
Accessing smart home systems.
Oh, thank you very much, Mr. Puck.
You can just call me Puck.
You can just call me Puck.
You're only jealous because Puck can wink and you can't.
That's not true.
You'll see. He'll win you over, too. He can do the impossible.
Oh, really? Puck, can you get these two pests out of my way?
What the?
Hey!
Puck, you're the finest assistant in the world. That's too funny.
These kittens are so cute.
Yeah, but I'm tired of watching videos.
Would you like to make some of your own?
Can we?
But outdoing those cute kittens is going to be impossible.
Nothing is impossible with Puck.
My Sweetbeard's beard. Geppetto just posted a video.
Who? You have created two monsters.
Me?
This Jeppy guy is so cool. Well, thank you for electing me the most influential man of the year. But I assure you, I didn't plan to start a trend with this beard. I've always had it. Huh?
Jeppy, I found a great app. It's an app that changes your voice.
Notification. Follow your friend Jeppy's live stream.
I'm Monja Fuoco. I look evil, but I'm actually afraid of the dark.
And I'm Cherry. I hate Geppetto because he's a much better salesman than I am.
They've gone completely nuts.
But everyone likes them. Read the comments.
Jeppy, I love you. Cricket, you're the best. They are stars.
What are you two doing here? Hyperquest is for humans only.
Ragdolls have the right to play too.
And so do wooden puppets.
Okay, you can stay, but stay out of sight.
What are you doing? We're only here to watch.
My fandom tells me I'm a video game champ. You know what, Pinocchio? You're a video game champ.
That was you talking to yourself in the mirror again.
Activate craniofacial unit.
They're talking about the visor, big brain.
Oh. Hey, I'm in the game. Now I need a username.
How about wooden head? It describes you perfectly.
You are in the presence of Omegatron, the greatest gamer ever, and you are just scrubs.
So, the one dressed as a gift box is Omegatron?
You have a problem with my suit?
Oh, no, I was saying the fuchsia looks good on you.
So why are you and the ragdoll here?
For 2 reasons, dear Omegatron. First, we're here to play.
And that's it. For only one reason.
Then let's play. Level 1, defeat all the atomic globes. How about waiting till the round starts, Wooden Head?
I told you it was the perfect name. Watch all the episodes.
Subscribe to the channel.